Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come on.
What is going on, everybody? This is Revolt Kid today, and I'm back with a new video. So this is actually going to be a remake of my old Unturned 3.0 how to make a server video. I know a lot of people got confused on that for some reason. I mean, I think I explained it pretty well, but just in case, I'm gonna redo it. And yeah. So for starters, what you'll need to do is just open up Steam, right click Unturned, go to Properties, Local Files, Browse Local Files, or you can go straight into File Explorer, go to your local disk, the one where you have Steam installed, and you'll need, I'll do that again. You need to go to Program Files 86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then scroll down to see Unturned. So I just made a new server, and I know it works. I already tested it. I just made this one literally a couple hours ago. Okay, so it works fine. I tested it, made sure everything worked. It's completely vanilla. So this is not with Rocket installed. This is not with you know, any workshop mods. There's other videos. I may leave links to in the description. If not, just look up how to install workshop mods, stuff like that, into an Unturned server. It's honestly not that hard. So what we want to do, you want to get this Unturned, just Unturned, not the BattleEye launcher. So right click this, create a shortcut. So we'll just rename this. We'll just rename it YouTube. Okay, so then what we do, we'll right click on this, go Properties, go right here, make sure these quotations are in there. They typically are already in there. So you'll need to do space, dash, or minus, whichever one you would rather it. Dash no graphics, and then space dash batch mode, and then space plus secure server, which you could do secure, which is, it will not allow, actually I don't know if it'll be VAC players now, or since they installed BattleEye into it, if it'll be BattleEye banned players. Honestly, not too sure, but so it'll be one of those two, or both actually, I'm not too sure. But if you do insecure instead, it will allow anybody to join, even if they've hacked on other accounts, stuff like that, or on their account on different games, stuff like that. Or you can do it LAN server, which is only people on your internet, like your home connection, can join. But we want everybody to join, as this is a public server tutorial. So we can, this is just gonna be, and you do a slash, you don't do a space, just do slash. This will be the folder name, not the server name, so no one's really gonna see this other than you. So I'll just do Unturned tutorial. Sorry if I misspell, but I really don't care. So we'll do apply and then OK. And then what we want to do is, I'll show you right now. This is just my normal server. So we want to run this, and it does look different now. It looks a lot different than it used to, because all this stuff loads up and everything. And if you go up, it just says like all that stuff, and then it'll just go through, load all the assets now. And then after it says loading level 100% with 0 workshop mods, Steam servers are ready, and all that stuff, we'll just type shutdown and click enter, and then we can go up to the servers folder, and now there's Unturned tutorial in here as well. So then you'll go into that, server, commands, open this with Notepad or Notepad++, whichever one you use. I just use a normal Notepad, just so I don't have to install other stuff. So this is where you'll type like your name and stuff. So we'll just do name, YouTube tutorial server, and then we'll put a password on it, just so people can't join it. We'll do max players, we'll just do 24, map Washington, mode easy, perspective both, that way it can be third and first, and this makes it so everything is 100% 100% when you find it on the ground. We can also do this is a newer one that they kind of added. It's cheats enable. That's if you're an admin, you can spawn stuff in, you can teleport, and you can do all that kind of stuff. Normally you can't do that unless you have these enabled now. I don't exactly know why they changed that, but it's not really that big of a deal. It's just another line in here, and we can do the welcome. So we'll just do welcome to the server, and then we'll do a slash. That's just the most red you can get. So yeah, I believe that's everything we'll need. Let me just double check. So, oh yeah, we'll need the port as well. Whoops. Another thing, you have to port forward to get the server online. I'm not showing you that video because I don't want to leak my IP and all that, and just there's a video that I'll link in the description. I linked it in my other one, but apparently people don't know how to like listen. I literally said in the video, there's a video in the description. It's Me Like Big Boom. He explains it perfectly. I just did it again today because we switched our router and stuff, so it reset and everything. And so we had to I had to redo it. So I used that tutorial and it works fine. So it's the right tutorial. If you follow it to a T, you will 100% get this working. It's honestly not that hard to do, but people just don't listen very well, and that's the only thing. So what you want to do after you get all this in, just click Control S to save, or you can just do the file save, whatever, it really doesn't matter. Let me pull that off this monitor. Okay, so now what we can do, that's done then. So once you follow the port forwarding tutorial, I actually suggest you do that first. It's not very hard. The only problem is you need to know your internet like login password and username. Most of the time, if you haven't changed it, nobody's changed it. It's just admin is the username and password is the password. I changed mine, but you know it doesn't really matter too much. So what you want to do is go back, and then you can start this up. So if you look up here, it says successfully set name to YouTube tutorial server, successfully set password is 12345, successfully set max players to 24, set map to Washington, set game mode to easy, perspective to both, and enabled cheats. Set welcome message, set port. So it's set up now. It's 100% done. You'll have to let this start up. You got to make sure you wait till this is completely started before you get onto it. It'll show up as Unturned in your hotbar, but I'll show you here in a second. You can get on here, and you can just start up Unturned. It really won't affect much at all. So we'll just let Unturned start up here, and I'll show you how you can connect to it. There's a couple different ways you can connect to it, but so I'll get back to you guys whenever it's started up. Alright guys, so Unturned is started up now. This is version 3.26.4.0, so it doesn't really matter much, but just is. So what we can do is we can go servers, and now if you host it from your computer, I don't know why these are here. This is another program I have opened. It's not even the server. It's just, I don't know why that's there. It's because I have multiple monitors, so it's like a shortcut thing to help out. But anyway, let's see here. So there's two ways you can connect to it. So we can click LAN. You see it's here. I think if we just do this, we could also find it. I don't know if it'll do that though, since it's on our internet. On this computer, because I don't think it'll let you, because it's searching everywhere else. Yeah, okay, so it won't. Or you can go to connect, get your public IP address, put it in there, and then the port would be 27015. I don't exactly know mine off the top of my head, so we're just gonna do servers. We'll do it through LAN. We'll do 1 2 3 4 5. And we're in. So then I'll show you how to do like basic commands for yourself. So as you can see, first time on the server, those things are still on my screen, and then up in the top left over here where the chat is, right here, it says welcome to the server in red. You can change that color any way you really want. Just use the RGB values as I did. So instead of the 255/0/0, it would be whatever you want. Red comes first, green comes second, blue comes third. So it's pretty self-explanatory. And what we can do, we'll click Windows here. We'll do this, and then as you can see, it has Steam ID, my name, character. So what you could do is you do admin, and I'll put provoke because that's my name. Successfully admin. So now I'm an admin on here. I can do, I don't even know what I just gave myself. A scope. We'll give ourselves a dragon fang. You know, you can honestly do anything really. You can't fly, which kind of sucks, but you can do, I don't know if you have to type it out. Let's do, yeah, okay. So you have to type out /teleport. It used to only be @ you could do, but we'll do /experience, and we'll give ourselves 1,000,000 experience. So you can just go through and, you know, do all that if you really want to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty self-explanatory. So like I said, as long as you follow the video, I'm going to link in the description. It will work perfectly, I promise you. So it should work perfectly fine. All should be good. I have my what's it called off? I don't know what the word is. It's so stuff doesn't show up on the ground. Foliage and stuff like that. That's why the zombies are disappearing. If you have that on, it wouldn't. So honestly, I mean, It's quite easy to do. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.